Conjunctions, Mastering Connections in English Grammar. Let's begin our session on conjunctions, the connectors in English grammar. Conjunctions link words, phrases, or clauses, helping sentences flow smoothly. They add logic, contrast, reason, or sequence to your ideas. Used correctly, they make writing more professional and engaging. Let's explore how they work and where to use them. What is a conjunction? Let's understand what a conjunction actually is. A conjunction is a part of speech that joins words, phrases, or clauses. For example, bread and butter, or he passed because he studied. It brings together ideas for clarity and cohesion. Example, she likes tea and coffee. Coordinating conjunctions. Let's begin with coordinating conjunctions. These connect elements of equal grammatical rank, like word to word, or clause to clause. Use the acronym fanboys to remember them: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Example, he is tired but happy. These are common in both speech and writing. Fanboys in action. Let's break down how fanboys function. For gives reason, he stayed home, for he was ill. And adds, she sings and dances. But shows contrast, yet shows surprise, so shows result. Each conjunction serves a unique purpose. Subordinating conjunctions. Let's move to subordinating conjunctions. These connect a dependent clause to a main clause. They show relationships like time, reason, condition, or contrast. Common examples: because, although, since, if, while, until. Example, I'll wait until you finish. Common uses of subordinating conjunctions. Let's look at how subordinating conjunctions build sentence logic. Because, since show reason. When, while express time. If, unless introduce conditions. Although, even if show contrast. They add complexity and richness to your writing. Use them to guide the reader's understanding. Correlative conjunctions. Let's explore correlative conjunctions. These always work in pairs to connect equal sentence parts. Examples include either, or, neither, nor, both, and, not only, but also. They help balance ideas and provide structure. Maintaining parallel grammar is essential when using them. Examples of correlative use. Let's review examples of correlative conjunctions in action. Either you leave, or I will. Not only was she late, but also unprepared. Both the manager and the assistant agreed. The key is to balance both parts grammatically. Common mistakes. Let's go over some common conjunction errors. I will go but I am tired. I will go, but I am tired. Neither he or she likes coffee. Neither he nor she likes coffee. Always match your conjunction pairs correctly. Check punctuation and grammar when combining ideas. Let's conclude this session on conjunctions with a quick recap. We've covered coordinating, subordinating, and correlative conjunctions. You've seen how they shape meaning, logic, and sentence balance. Practice them well for smoother, clearer communication. Thank you, and don't forget to visit us at hegsdc.com.